So we're going to preheat the oven at 200 degrees or gas mark 6. So get out your equipment first. So you need a red board, some scissors for the leek, a bowl, a baking tray and a foiled dish. Also 2 cocktail sticks. Okay, so today we're going to be making some bread, and for our equipment list we need a set of scales, a bowl, a dredger and a palette knife. Okay, making sure your bowl's on the scales and the unit is 0 grams. Ingredients we need is strong plain flour, 1 packet of yeast, some salt and some oil and some warm water. Next we're going to weigh out 250 grams of strong white bread flour. Add the packet of yeast, a pinch of salt. So in a jug put a tablespoon of oil. Run the warm tap slightly so it becomes lukewarm, and you need to fill the jug up to 150 millilitres like this. Make a well in the flour and pour half of the liquid in and stir using your palette knife. Poured the rest of the mixture in and it's formed large lumps. Now I'm going to squeeze it together with one hand. This, squeezing all the moisture out towards the surface. Once you've formed a ball, you can keep kneading it, stretching the gluten to form a nice, smooth, stretchy dough. You can use a dredger to put some flour on the surface to stop it from sticking if it's a little bit too damp. You should knead this for about 10 to 15 minutes, so it should take a while to get it to form a nice, smooth, stretchy dough. Once you have kneaded your dough, you need to prove it for about 20 to 30 minutes, so it should rise. So prove it on the grill. So first of all, you need to slice the chicken breast. It should resemble a butterfly. 1 tablespoon of cream cheese goes into your bowl. Slice the leeks up a little bit smaller so they can combine with the cream cheese. I've used scissors because we've used frozen leeks that are already sliced, but you can use a green board and a knife to slice up your leeks very finely. Combine the ingredients together and fill one side of the chicken breast so that now you can fold it over, ready to wrap the bacon around it. Place the chicken on the smallest part of the rash of bacon and bring the thicker part over the top of the chicken breast. Place 2 cocktail sticks. I've got 1 either side, 1 that side, 1 that side to hold the chicken breast and the filling together. Place in your foil container and onto the baking tray. You can put 3 next to each other. Okay, as I've only got 1, I've just got the 1 on the baking tray. And using oven gloves, put it into the oven. Roll your bread into 4 different rolls, okay, and leave to proof for a couple of minutes before putting them in the oven. So, and then this should cook for 30 minutes. Cook until they're risen and golden brown.